very afraid, fearful, very angry, furious, very accurate, exact, very bad, awful, very beautiful, gorgeous, very big, massive, very boring, dull, very bright, luminous, very busy, swamped, very calm, serene, very careful, cautious, very cheap, stingy, very clean, spotless, very clear, obvious, very cold, freezing, very colorful, vibrant, very competitive, cutthroat, very complete, comprehensive, very confused, perplexed, very creative, innovative, very crowded, bustling, very cute, adorable, very dangerous, perilous, very dear, cherished, very deep, profound, very depressed, despondent, very detailed, meticulous, very different, disparate, very difficult, arduous, very dirty, filthy, very dry, arid, very dull, tedious, very easy, effortless, very empty, desolate, very excited, thrilled, very exciting, exhilarating, very expensive, costly, very fancy, lavish, very fat, obese, very fast, quick, very friendly, amiable, very frightened, alarmed, very frightening, terrifying, very funny, hilarious, very glad, overjoyed, very good, excellent, very great, terrific, very happy, ecstatic, very hard, difficult, very hard to find, rare, very heavy, leaden, very high, soaring, very hot, sweltering, very huge, colossal, very hungry, starving, very hurt, battered, very important, crucial, very intelligent, brilliant, very interesting, captivating, very large, huge, very lazy, indolent, very little, tiny, very long, extensive, very long term, enduring, very loose, slack, very mean, cruel, very messy, slovenly, very necessary, essential, very nervous, apprehensive, very nice, kind, very noisy, deafening, very often, frequently, very old, ancient, very old-fashioned, archaic, very open, transparent, very painful, excruciating, very pale, ashen, very perfect, flawless, very poor, destitute, very powerful, compelling, very pretty, beautiful, very quick, rapid, very quite, hushed, very raining, pouring, very rich, wealthy, very sad, sorrowful, very scared, petrified, very scary, chilling, very serious, grave, very sharp, keen, very shiny, gleaming, very short, brief, very shy, timid, very simple, basic, very skinny, skeletal, very small, petite, very smart, intelligent, very smelly, pungent, very smooth, sleek, very soft, downy, very sorry, apologetic, very special, exceptional, very strong, forceful, very stupid, idiotic, very sure, certain, very sweet, thoughtful, very talented, gifted, very tall, towering, very tasty, delicious, very thirsty, parched, very tight, constricting, very tiny, minuscule, very tired, exhausted, very ugly, hideous, very useful, informative, very unhappy, miserable, very upset, distraught, very warm, hot, very weak, frail, very well-to-do, wealthy, very wet, soaked, very wide, expansive, very willing, eager, very windy, blustery, very wise, sage, very worried, distressed,